Alright, y'all, welcome back to the channel. So I have a pretty interesting video clip to show to you guys. It's kind of choppy and cut up, but I want to do the best I can to present this to you guys. This video was taken in Hawaii. It was an island that was in Hawaii, and it was taken September 1st of 2015. So it's a pretty about 9-year-old video taken with the cell phone. And the video basically description was that someone or family saw a UFO and they sat there and they filmed it. And this is going to be the footage right here. Look at this. The craft sat there for a minute. And as they zoomed in, of course, it's going to be distorted, guys. So I don't want to hear the potato phone thing. But look at this. Looks like there's a hole or something in the front of this. This looks to be somewhat of a drone of some sort. And it kind of is tilting at an angle, as you guys seeing it fly, that we know sometimes they do that. But look at the detail on this as you zoom in on this. Now, like I said, this could be a drone. It could actually not have anything or anyone inside of it, but I couldn't get the calculations or anything on the size of it based on basically where they took it from, because it's not that close to the trees. But look at this thing flying around. Now, I don't know if you guys have heard about this. No one's actually named this or given it the Hawaii UFO or anything, but look at the detail on this. Look at the top of that. And I slowed this down so that a lot of you guys can look at just some of the detail of this right here. That's what kind of makes me think it may be a drone, but I don't know. I don't know if there could be occupants inside of it, but I figured I would show this to you guys to see if anyone had heard anything about this. So there it is there. I kind of slowed this down and they zoomed in on it. And normally when this happens, when these UFOs or drones or UAPs, when they see someone filming, they shoot off, they fly off. This one didn't. Now, I couldn't get the whole video. I'm still trying to search for it and find it, but I couldn't get the whole video clip. But what I have is what I'm showing to you guys right here. And look at the side. That's another side. So it seems like this is another angle. I actually just took a picture of the side of this and wanted to show you another angle of this craft. And I've never seen anything like this. Now, this could be a craft that we saw at some point in time. It was just too far up to get this much detail on it and flying this slow. But look at this. I don't know what to make of this. So I figured I would show this to you guys, because it does have some pretty unique colors. Most of the time we see these UFOs this close, they're really smooth and they usually just have one color. They're metallic. And they don't have this much detail or shape or anything on it, but this one does, which makes me think that it could possibly be a drone. But here's going to be another, I guess, moneymaker shot there. I don't know what that is in the front of that, but it looks like it has a hole or something in the front of it. But this is also the other side too. And this side looks to be a little bit different than the previous side that I showed to you earlier. And it could be just that it's tilting at a different angle. And it could be, like I said, this is kind of distorted a little bit. It's not the best photo in the world, but it was 2015. No one had the best photos. And it looks like they were just using kind of a standard Android phone when they took this video. But to get this right here, I think is pretty amazing. Can't call this swamp gas. So anyway, guys, put your comments down below what you think about this. I thought this was pretty interesting. I wanted to show this to you guys. I didn't want to drag this out long and try to do all kinds of crazy stuff with it. But let me know down below in the comments if you heard about this and if you've seen this before, because this looks pretty interesting from different angles and stuff. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with your friends, guys, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching. See you next video.